The Walnut Creek Extension District, a division of K-State Research and Extension, covering Rush, Ness, and Lane counties, here's Insight with Extension.
We've had about 10 inches of rain since October 1st, and the fall and winter solstices have been cool. So what's the point? The extreme cold and wet conditions are a potential hazard for the survival of newborn calves. Teresa Steckler, beef specialist with the University of Illinois, has a list of points for the continued muddy conditions. Calf survival can be a challenge when Mother Nature is not cooperative. Death of calves may be due to many factors, but pathogens such as scours, pneumonia, and naval infection, and environmental stresses of cold, wet weather are the big concerns. Maternal health also plays an important role in the calf survival. The dam requires adequate nutrition for fetal growth and quality of colostrum. Mud can seriously affect the health of newborn calves. Pathogens can travel up the umbilical cord and have easy access to the calf's circulatory system via the liver. It is critical to address proper navel and umbilical cord care for calves born in muddy lots. Treat the navel and cord by dipping or spraying it with iodine or another disinfectant solution to prevent infection. If possible, move the cow-calf pair to an area with dry bedding since the newborn cord will still be open to invading pathogens. Another option is to implement the Sandhills method of moving the pregnant cows to fresh ground every 2 weeks. This keeps the older calves from exposing the newborns to pathogens they already built immunity to. This system is proven to work well, but requires additional feeding areas, fencing, protection, and water. Perhaps the most important factor in calf survival is the intake of colostrum as soon as possible after birth. For calves in the mud, colostrum intake is critical because the colostrum provides the calf with its first mechanism against pathogens. The calf's ability to absorb immunoglobulins decreases rapidly with age. This is why it is recommended that the calves consume colostrum within the first 2 hours following birth. Cow colostrum will have a higher concentration of antibodies than that from heifers. Cows losing weight will likely produce low-quality colostrum for the newborn calf. Feeding cows, if necessary, to keep them in good body condition so that they can produce higher quality colostrum is key. There is no magic method for calving in the mud. Just apply the basics and pay special attention to these calves born in less than perfect conditions. Proper attention should minimize death loss, sickness, infection, and stress. This has been Jared Petersley with the Walnut Creek Extension District Insight with Extension.
Insight with Extension on My Country 93.5.